How to handle the costs of moving out after divorce. Hi, I'm Tim Blankenship with divorce661.com. One of the most immediate and often overwhelming expenses after a divorce is the cost of moving out. Whether you're relocating to an apartment, downsizing, or setting up a new home for yourself and your children, moving can strain your budget if you're not prepared. But with the right plan, you can handle the transition without unnecessary financial stress. Start by getting a clear picture of your expected expenses. This might include first and last month's rent, security deposits, utility setup fees, moving truck rental or movers, furniture, and household essentials. These costs can add up quickly, so it's important to create a realistic budget and prioritize what you need right away versus what can wait. Next, consider ways to cut costs where possible. Ask friends or family to help with the move instead of hiring professionals. Look for secondhand furniture or essentials through local marketplaces or community groups. If you're short on cash, see if your divorce settlement includes access to shared funds or assets that can be used to cover part of your relocation. Also, keep receipts and track everything you spend. In some cases, these costs can be considered when negotiating support or dividing property. Having clear records ensures you're prepared if questions arise later. We recently worked with a client who had to move out quickly but was concerned about how she'd afford it. We helped her review her divorce settlement, identify accessible funds, and create a moving checklist with budget-friendly solutions. Within 2 weeks, she was comfortably settled in her new home without draining her savings. At Divorce 661, we go beyond forms and filings. We help you plan for real-life transitions like moving out and starting fresh. Whether you need help budgeting, negotiating funds, or simply getting organized, we're here to guide you every step of the way. If you're facing a move after divorce and need help managing the costs, visit divorce661.com to schedule your free consultation. We'll help you create a plan that keeps your finances stable and your transition as smooth as possible.